Good morning. I'm in Crescent Mall. It's in District 7. It's really near my house, so I drove here. And now I cannot park because I think there's a festival going on somewhere. Oh, it's a fire drill. It's a fire drill. That's why there were like all these firefighters. It's a fire drill. Maybe it's like an official fire drill. But nevertheless, I'm just gonna buy some spinach. This time I'm just gonna buy some broccoli. It's a massive fire drill, I think. Like, totally massive. What are they?
When did the advertising blitz begin for candy companies around Halloween?
But this guy's pretty interesting. The way he did his costume. I don't know, maybe it's like a application. But this is really cool. I hope I can do that too. But yeah, it's right now 7:58 a.m. in the morning, so I'm not like fully dressed up per se, but this is one way that I'm gonna enjoy my COVID Halloween. And I have a hamburger hat on for the stream in case that somebody asks for like a video call or something. So I've been considering to host something there, but I haven't really gotten it to yet. But maybe sometime end of the year I could do something. So I'm checking out the platform right now. That's one reason why I'm participating at this early hour on Friday. Happy Halloween! This is, I just packed a little goodie bags for the kids that are living in my neighborhood. Hope that the kids love it. Yeah, so that's my treat for Halloween. Today I'm here to ride this bus, shuttle bus, this free, on the way to Melia, and this is to Tram, District 2. And I'm gonna wait here for about 30 minutes, and the bus will go to Hochimin, which takes about 2 hours or so. It's raining quite a lot. I don't think we can go outside right now, but it looks pretty nice. Yeah, this is Melia, Hochimin. This is one of the best resorts near Ho Chi Minh City. It's like 2 hours away by car, and I had a free shuttle bus to drive us here. It's really beautiful. I haven't really been able to see the full resort yet. Hopefully the weather is much better. I like the cloudy weather, but still rain is a little bit, it's too chilly, so it's a bit of a hassle. I'm in the main swimming pool. This is absolutely wonderful. It's raining, it's drizzling, but still I think the weather is perfect for swimming. It's not too hot, not too cold. Here is a bar. This is actually the bar where you wear your swimming suit and then sit here. Isn't it so beautiful? I wish I could sit here, I could drink, but wow, what a beautiful sunset, beautiful weather. It's not raining. It's awesome. My hair is horrible again, but just a nice shot for myself. Yeah, we just need a little break for ourselves, and I think I've got this break. It's a 2-night, 3-day short break, but still it's been wonderful, and I got a chance to enjoy the nature and a beautiful view. So I'm really happy with that. I'm gonna go back to my normal life and just hustle. Right. All right. Bye guys. Stay safe, healthy, happy. Love you.